Based on our most recent crash tests, minivans have room for improvement. In our updated moderate overlap test, we tested 4 minivans, and all of them received marginal or poor ratings. In this updated test, we're looking closely at the rear occupant. We want to see a low risk of injury and restraint systems that keep that occupant away from the hard surfaces in the vehicle. Many consumers choose minivans specifically to transport their families. So it's disappointing that the automakers haven't focused more attention on backseat safety in this vehicle class. We tested 4 minivans: the Honda Odyssey, the Toyota Sienna, the Kia Carnival, and the Chrysler Pacifica. And in all 4 minivans, we saw the rear occupant at risk for chest injury, either because of high belt forces or poor belt positioning. While we're disappointed in these ratings, we expect the automakers to respond quickly and make improvements, as we've seen when we've introduced other tests.